Today we're diving into the luxurious features of the rain shower system high-pressure shower head. This 10-inch wall-mounted shower system, complete with a tub spout, handheld spray, shower valve, and trim kit, offers a polished chrome finish that adds a touch of elegance to any bathroom. Experience the ultimate in safety and convenience with a cUPC-certified pressure balance valve that prevents scalding, while the built-in Air H2O technology delivers a water-saving 1.46 GPM flow rate, simulating a natural rainfall experience. The durable 40mm ceramic cartridge filter infuses air with water, amplifying pressure for a luxurious shower even under low water pressure. Effortlessly switch between the overhead rainfall shower, handheld shower, and tub spout using the convenient 3-in-1 diverter, all while maintaining your preferred water temperature. Crafted from 100% H59 brass valve core and 304 stainless steel, this all-metal construction ensures lasting durability and style. The package includes everything you need for a DIY installation, from the rain shower head and handheld sprayer to the control valve and mounting hardware, with detailed instructions and a responsive customer service team ready to assist. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like retreat with this complete shower system, designed for both luxury and practicality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.